Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about the different boiler mountings and accessories. First, we will understand boiler mountings. Basically, boiler mountings are those parts which are necessary for the smooth and safe operation of boilers. The first mounting is a safety valve. There are various types of safety valve. The first very famous safety valve is a lever safety valve. Lever safety valve is usually employed with a stationary boiler. It serves the purpose of maintaining the constant safe pressure inside the boiler. You can see the diagram. You can see here from the bottom side steaming is going up, and when steam pressure is high, this weight is going to up and the extra steam is released. And the second type of safety valve is a dead weight safety valve. You can see the diagram. The overall working depends on the weight. You can see here dead weight. In this safety valve, the weight is in the form of cylindrical cast iron disc placed directly on the valve. So the purpose is same, but the design is different. The third type is a spring loaded safety valve. As name is indicating, there is a spring inside. So you can see the diagram. When pressure goes beyond the limit, and so spring get operated and extra steam get out of the boiler. High steam low water safety valve. This valve is placed on the top of Lancashire boiler. It is combination of two valve. One which is lever safety valve which blow off steam when working pressure of steam exceeds. The second valve operates blowing off the steam when water level become too low. You can see the diagram. Feed check valve. It is a non-return valve fitted on the screwed spindle to regulate the lift. Its function is to regulate the supply of water, which is pumped into boiler by feed pump. This valve must have its spindle lifted before the pump is started. So you can see the diagram. This is a very simple diagram. So the purpose of feed check valve to supply the water in the boiler. Then next mounting is steam stop valve. It is the largest valve on the steam boiler. It is usually fitted on the highest part of the shell by means of flange. So this valve is using for supply to control the supply of steam. You can stop the supply and you can open the supply of the steam whenever you require. Then fusible plug. The purpose of fusible plug when extra heat is generated inside the boiler for the safety purpose it is fitted. You can see the diagram. Water level indicator. It is used when water gauge gets low inside the boiler. So for the safety purpose it indicates how much water is remaining inside the boiler. This is the diagram. Blow off coke. This is also fitted in the boiler. Whenever the purpose is to drain out the water from the boiler for the internal cleaning. Whenever you required cleaning the boiler after the various days of operation, so it is called blow off coke. It is just for the cleaning purpose. You can see the diagram. Pressure gauge. You always maintain some pressure range inside the boiler for the safety purpose. So a pressure gauge is fitted. In class I will give you the detail how it works. The overall purpose is just showing the how much pressure inside the boiler. And accessories. Accessories are different from mountings. The purpose of accessories is just to increase the efficiency of the boiler. There are basically three types of accessories. First is a superheater. in which we get extra heating, we give the extra heating to the steam. And the air preheater, whatever air you are using to combustion the fuel, so you try to preheat that air by using the exhaust gases. And the third one is the economizer. In economizer, whatever water you are using in boiler, you try to get heated by using the flue gases, and you use that water. So you get by using these three accessories, you can increase the efficiency of boiler. First one is superheater, second is air preheater, and third one is economizer. So it is just a brief of mountings and accessories. In class, I will give you the more detail of each one. Thanks, and you can call me for any doubts.